Hello friends, today we have to prove product of any three consecutive integer is divisible by 6. Means आप कोई भी three consecutive integer ले लो उनका product करो that number is guaranteed divisible by 6. See for example, if we take 3, 4, 5, 3 into 4 into 5. What is product of this three consecutive integer? It is 60, and this 60 is divisible by 6 because 60 is equal to 6 into 10. Therefore, 6 divides 60. So that is product of this three consecutive integer is divisible by 6. We can take another three consecutive integer. Say for example 1 into 2 into 3. What is product of these three number? 6. And 6 is equal to 6 into 1. This implies 6 divides 6. So again in this example product of these three consecutive integer is divisible by 6. Now we are going to prove this. We are going to solve this problem by two different methods. That is, we are going to provide two different solutions for this problem. Now, solution number one: let n be any integer. N be any integer. We prove n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This product of three consecutive integer n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, this product is divisible by 6. Okay. Now apply division algorithm for n and 6. This implies integer n can be written as 6 into some quotient q plus remainder. And what is condition on remainder? Where 0 less equal r strictly less than modulus of 6. That is n is equal to 6 into q plus r, and condition on r 0 less equal r strictly less than 6 because modulus of 6 is 6. Now note that r lies between 0 and 6 and r is integer. So what are the possibilities for r? Here r has 6 possibilities. See, r lies between 0 and 6. R equal to 0 is also possible. Huh? So r is equal to 0, r is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. That is r is equal to 0, r equal to 1, r equal to 2, r equal to 3, r equal to 5, sorry 4, huh? And r is equal to 5. Now see each case one by one. Now case 1, if r equal to 0, therefore what is value of n? N is equal to 6 into q plus 0. That is n is equal to 6 into q. And therefore now this product n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This product of three consecutive integer is equal to 6 into q. Then n plus 1 means 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 2 and is equal to 6 in bracket q into 6q plus 1 into 6q plus 2. So is equal to 6 into say k, where value of k, where this k is nothing but this q into 6q plus 1 into 6q plus 2. So this product of three consecutive integer n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to 6 into some integer. Therefore 6 divides n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay. So if remainder is 0, then this product is divisible by 6. Now case 2, if r is equal to 1 and in this case n becomes 6q plus remainder is 1, so 6q plus 1, and this implies now n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, this product is equal to 6q plus 1, n plus 1 means 6q plus 2, and n plus 2 means now 6q plus 3, because value of n is 6q plus 1. If you add in 2 in 6q plus 1, it becomes 6q plus 3. Now is equal to, now see, we can take 2 common from this middle term and 3 from last term. So this 6q plus 1, this term as it is. Now this is 2 in bracket 3q plus 1, and here 3 in bracket 2q plus 1. Now this 2 into 3, it is 6. 6 in bracket, this is 6q plus 1, then 3q plus 1, and then 2q plus 1. So this n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, this product is equal to 6 into k. And where what is value of k? K is equal to this product 6q plus 1, 3q plus 1 into 2q plus 1. So again, product of three consecutive integer is equal to 6 into some number. So this implies 6 divides again n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Now next case number 3. Suppose remainder is equal to 2, then n becomes 6q plus 2, and therefore n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, this product is equal to, now first n means 6q plus 2, then n plus 1 means 6q plus 3, and 6q plus 4. So is equal to, now from first term we can take 2 common, so it is 2 in bracket 3q plus 1, and from this middle term take 3 common, so 3 into 2q plus 1, and this 6q plus 4 as it is. Now this 2 into 3, it is 6, and in bracket it is 3q plus 1 into 2q plus 1 into 6q plus 4. Therefore, now n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, this product is equal to again 6 into k, and where again value of k is equal to this product. Therefore 6 divides n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay, so case number 3 done. Now case number 4. Suppose remainder is equal to 3, and therefore n is equal to 6q plus 3. This implies n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, this product is equal to, now 6q plus 3 in bracket 6q plus 4 into 6q plus 5. So is equal to, now from first term take 3 common, so in bracket 3 into 2q plus 1. Now from middle term take 2 common, so 2 in bracket 3 into q plus 2 into 6q plus 5. So this 3 into 2, 6. 6 in bracket 2q plus 1 into 3q plus 2 and into 6q plus 5. So again, product of these three consecutive integer, say n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to 6 into k, where this k is equal to this product, and therefore product of three consecutive integer is equal to 6 into some integer. So 6 divides n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Now case number 5. So in this case remainder is equal to 4. Therefore, n is equal to now 6 into q plus 4. This implies now n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to, now value of n 6q plus 4, value of n plus 1 6q plus 5, and value of n plus 2 it is 6q plus 6 is equal to, now take 6 common from last term. So first two terms as it is 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5, and this is 6 in bracket q plus 1. So this product can be written as 6 in bracket, it is 6q plus 4 into 6q plus 5 into q plus 1. So is equal to 6 into k, where value of k is equal to this product. So n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to 6 into some integer. This implies 6 divides n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Now last case, case number 6. Suppose value of remainder is equal to 5, and therefore n becomes 6q plus remainder means 6q plus 5. So this implies now n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to, now this is 6q plus 5, n plus 1 means 6q plus 6, and 6q plus, this is 7 is equal to, now take 6 common from second term. First term as it is 6q plus 5, this is 6 in bracket q plus 1, and this 6q plus 7 is also as it is. So is equal to 6 in bracket this 6q plus 5 into this q plus 1 into this 6q plus 7. So is equal to 6 into k, again where k is equal to this term present inside bracket. So n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to 6 into k. So again this implies 6 divides n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So case number 6 also done. So from above 6 cases, we conclude that 6 divides n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, where n is any integer. आप कोई भी integer ले लो, उसके बाद के कोई भी दो नंबर ले लो, उनका प्रोडक्ट करो, that product is guaranteed divisible by 6. That is, product of any three consecutive integer is guaranteed divisible by 6. Okay, so this is first solution for this problem. Now we have one more solution. This is solution number 2. Solution number 2. Let n be any integer. Okay, n be any integer, and let p is equal to this product n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. That is, p is nothing but product of three consecutive integer. Now note that in any two consecutive integer, one of them must be even. आप कोई भी दो consecutive integer ले लो, उसमें से एक even होने वाला है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 50, 51 तो 50 इवन है, 63 लिया तो 63 के बाद 64 आता है, 64 इज इवन. सो ये जो p है, p में n इंटू n प्लस 1 इंटू n प्लस 2 है, तो ये तीनों में से एक नंबर गारंटीड इवन रहेगा. क्योंकि दो ही कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीजर में एक ही वन नंबर आता है. So in this product, one number is guaranteed even. Therefore, uh, one of number, from this n plus 1, n plus 2 must be even. And therefore, their product P is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This product is guaranteed even 2 into k. क्योंकि कोई तो एक इंटीजर इवन है तो वो सब प्रोडक्ट करें तो इवन बन ही जाएगा. दिस इंप्लाइज 2 divides p. So this product of three consecutive integer is guaranteed divisible by 2. Number 1. Suppose this is number 1. Now also note that in any three consecutive integer, one of them must be multiple of 3. आप कोई भी थ्री कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीजर्स ले लो, उसमें से एक 3 का मल्टीपल मिलने ही वाला है. फॉर एग्जांपल 8 इंटू 9 इंटू 10, तो 9 3 का मल्टीपल है. इफ इट टेक 14 इंटू 15 इंटू 16, तो 15 3 का मल्टीपल मिलता है. 21 इंटू 22 इंटू 23 लिया तो 21 3 का मल्टीपल मिल जाता है. सो कोई भी थ्री कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीजर्स ले लो, उसमें से एक 3 का मल्टीपल होने ही वाला है. Therefore, P is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This product is guaranteed multiple of 3. क्योंकि कोई तो एक नंबर n 3 का मल्टीपल हो सकता है, नहीं तो n plus 1 नहीं तो n plus 2, तीनों में से एक तो 3 का मल्टीपल गारंटेड रहने वाला है. सो दिस प्रोडक्ट जो बनेगा वो भी 3 का मल्टीपल रहेगा. दिस इंप्लाइज 3 divides p. So number 2. Now recall divisibility test for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if and only if it is divisible by 2 and 3. कोई भी जो नंबर जो 2 और 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है वो 6 से डिवाइड होने वाला है. ये डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 6 हमको बताती है. सो फ्रॉम 1 and 2, 1 में क्या है, 2 ये प्रोडक्ट को डिवाइड कर रहा है, और 2 में क्या है कि 3 डिवाइड कर रहा है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थ्री कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीजर को. सो फ्रॉम 1 and 2, 6 divides p, and what is p? P is nothing but product of three consecutive integers. Therefore, product of any three consecutive integer is divisible by 6. Okay, so we have two different solution for this problem. This is solution number 2. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.